Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm going to break down what I see in the markets currently, kind of just be speculating a little bit. I'm not a financial advisor, but hopefully you guys like this comment. Remember to like, subscribe if you do like this content, and remember to comment. I'm going to ask you some questions later on in this video. So I'm going to break it down on a bigger time frame, top-down analysis first. So what am I seeing currently? Currently, we're going into prior resistance, this area right here, and we're using it as support, break, and retest. Are we going to be taking out these highs? We will see. Obviously, I do not have a magic 8-ball, but I'm going to be just kind of breaking down what I see time frame by time frame. So we're using this level as support, wick down, wick down, wick down, explode up, obviously. So I'm always going to be focusing on the bigger time frame. So I wouldn't be surprised, obviously, if we do go higher, but you just have to always manage risk, as you know, when you are trading. So what do I see on the hourly? On the hourly, that same exact level is a very, very clean low that I would not be surprised if it was broken now that I'm looking at it on the hourly. But I'm looking for a higher level to be broken. This is the exact level actually that I had marked out before. This level, look how clean these highs are. I want that level to be taken out. I saw a lot of trades long today that anticipated that level being taken out. Obviously that did not happen, but that's what I'm looking at. This high, this low, very clean. We'll see which one gets taken out first. Obviously you could create a trade around that thesis. I'm not a financial advisor, so always manage risk, but creating a trade, like let's say you want to buy calls, go long, anticipating this level to be broken. Look at these wicks down, obviously. Look at how we filled in this area, retested this resistance area as support, break, and retest. Are we going to just climb up? Are we going to open tomorrow above that level? Very strong possibility. Look at how I'm saying after looking at how we retested that resistance as support, break, and retest, would not be shocked, obviously, if that's what happened. But we will see what happens. I'm anticipating that we break above this level, and then I might be looking for a short setup because I think we're going to be heading lower. To break this level would be a very strong trade. Or even if you really look, obviously this is a bit farther out. This level right here is a very eye-opening level. I wouldn't be surprised if we do break that level at one point as well to the downside. But let's say we don't. Let's say we dump. I'm looking for us to get back into this zone, this consolidation zone, getting right back into it, and then I would probably want to be going long, at least taking that chance, putting on some risk. That's going to be my thesis in mind. Obviously, guys, these are all my trade ideas. I always manage risk. I'm always using a stop. I know when I'm right. I know when I'm wrong. When I'm wrong, I get out of the trade. Normally, I get out of the trade with a stop loss, but that's just kind of my thesis, guys. I'll break it down on a shorter time frame for you guys so you guys can see as well what happened today. I really thought I'll break it down, once we got above this level right here, once we had some strong closed candles above this level, I thought we'd get the retest. We did get the retest, a little wicky, not like to the dime, but as you guys can see, we get the retest, we go a little lower, and then what happens? We explode up, consolidate to the side, and then explode up again, retest that same level, explode up again. We didn't break. I thought we would break those highs I had mentioned earlier, but we didn't. Reason being, let me break it down to 15. We broke yesterday's highs, but not those highs on the bigger level. So we broke yesterday's highs, and then we failed, as you guys can see. Beautiful setup right here. Big wick to the upside, and then what happens? Close under, obviously we test it. Big wick to the upside, and then we pop right back into it. Candle opens, pop right back into it, and then we get the big dump, as you guys can see. That was a pretty solid setup as well. But there's a few things going on. We'll see what happens tomorrow where we open. I wouldn't be surprised if we already open. Let me get rid of this. If we already open above this, actually it wasn't this level. If we already open above this level, I would not be shocked. I think it's going to be a magnet type level, but these two levels very key. We'll see where we go. Let me know in the comments where you guys think the market will go. You think we're going to go up or down first, or you just waiting, see what plays out, what gets ripped through first, and then taking the opposite trade, putting on some risk, getting some decent risk to reward, and letting it play out. Let me know in the comments. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, this video. Hope you guys have a great day.